So in this video we will see how we can move from free trial to the pay as you go model. So for that, currently we have a free trial, so we will just change it to pay as you go model. For that we need to click here to upgrade in the subscription. So let this load. So here we need to click here to provide our service usage address, like we need to provide the address and the details before proceeding. So everything is entered. I will just validate. Now we can enter this after, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that now. And after giving the PAN, you will be able to proceed. So it's mandatory to check all of the checkboxes, and you need to provide the debit or a credit card for that. And I will be choosing no technical support, and it asks for the feedback. I don't have any feedback. I will just submit. So in here we will just go inside and try to create a web app. So this is we will choose a resource group, and we will also, I missed some of the stuff. So like we need to give the name of the web app and the runtime stack for that, and the name should be unique. So we will be choosing the free tier for this, and we created the web app, our first web app. And now you can see that Azure subscription 1, which was the name which we had given while entering the details, so that is getting shown here. So this web app will take some time for deployment. So now it is complete. So now when we click on the Azure subscription 1, so like that is the pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. So like whatever the usage which is there in the Azure, you will be charged on the same. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down if you have any questions.